Now areas of combination of plane figure, page number 131. So in the plane figure, some combination, that is circle with square, circle with rectangle, like that so many figures it will come. Okay, that we can see in window designs, then bed sheet designs, like that, table covers, like that. So how to find out area of such combination of plane figure, that we are going to learn. Now example 4, you see in the figure 12.15, two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of the square lawn ABCD of side 56 meter. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn, find the sum of the areas of the lawn and the flower bed. So let us draw that one. A square is there. So on each side of the square, one circular lawn is there. Okay. Now it is given that side of the square is equal to 56. So you are asked to find out the area of this portion only. So when you look at this figure, so it is like a sector. Okay, let us mark that ABCD, it is already given there. ABCD and O there. So ABCD is the square. Now if you are seeing this one ODC, this portion is a sector. Okay, and this portion, whatever you have to find, that is the segment part. Okay, now how to find out area of segment, that is area of sector minus area of the triangle. Okay, but here what we have done, given only side of the square is given 56. Here we have to use the things we have learned in lower standard. What are that? AC and BD are diagonals. No, AC and BD are diagonals, and in a square, diagonals bisect at each other at 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. BOC or BOA or AOD, BDOC, all angles are 90 degree. Now when you look at this one BOC, it is a right angle triangle with 90 degree at the center, that is BOC is equal to 90 degree. Now we know that diagonals bisect each other, and diagonals of the square are equal also. That means if this one is X, this also will be X, and this also will be X, this also will be X. Okay, now in a right angle triangle, BOC, BO equal to and OC is equal to XV2. Okay, so how will you find out X there? So X square plus X square is equal to 56 square. Why? Using Pythagoras theorem, base square plus altitude square will be equal to hypotenuse square. No, opposite to 90 degree, that side will be hypotenuse. So X square plus X square will be equal to 56 square. X square plus X square means 2X square, that is equal to 56 square, or X square will be equal to half of 56 square, or 56 into 56 you can write. Now you can cancel one of that one, 28. Okay, So 28 into 56, if you want 56 again split, so you will get x value is equal to 28 root 2. Otherwise also x square, you keep it like that, it will be easy for you for the calculation. Now how will you find out the area of this part? So we got the diagonal, that is radius you got. Now how will you find out the area of sector? So first find out the area of sector, okay, then area of the triangle you minus, okay. So r square or x square, radius is same as radius square is equal to x square, that is equal to 28 into 56 you take, okay. Now area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360, where theta is equal to 90 degree and r square is equal to this one, that is 28 into 56. Now area of sector, how will you get? That is pi value 22 by 7, you can take 22 by 7, then 28 into 56 into 90 by 367 and 28 you can cancel, 90 and 360 you can cancel, now 4 you can cancel, so now 56 into 22 you will get, okay. 56 into 22 you can find out the value there. Now that is the area of sector, okay. What is the area of triangle? What is the area of triangle? This is the right angle triangle. So half base into altitude, so half base into altitude will be, each one is this one, no? So half x into x, that is the area triangle, okay. Half base into altitude, each one is x, half x into x is area of the triangle, that is half of x square. What is our x square? So 28 into 56, okay. So you can cancel that one again, 28 into 28 it will come, okay. Now first find the value of 56 into 22. (1,232), then 28 into 28, (784). So 1,232 minus 784, that is the area of segment of one portion. So here how many are there? 2 are there, so you have to multiply whatever answer you are getting by 2, okay. So let us do that one. Now 232 minus 784, that is equal to 448, that is this much area only. It is 2 times it will come, that is So area of 2 plough bed will be equal to 2 into 448, that is equal to 896. But your question is, you have to find out the total area, that is lawn plus this plough bed. So lawn we know that is in the shape of a square. So area of square is equal to 56 into 56, that is equal to 3136, plus this 896 you have to find out, that is 4032, you will get 4032 centimeter square. So how we have find out that area? First find out the area of the segments by using the formula area of sector minus area of the triangle. In that area of the triangle, to find out that one radius, we use the property of diagonals, that is diagonals of a square bisect each other at 90 degree. So we got that radius square as 28 into 56. Then we find out the area of sector, then area of triangle, you subtract from that one, you got area of segment plus the area of square. Okay, now example 5. Find the area of shaded region in figure 12.16, where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Now look at this figure given there. It is a square and 4 circles are there. Okay, the given thing is the side of the square, that is equal to 14. Radius is not given, radius of circle is not given, but from the figure itself we will get the radius. How? Because 2 circles are there, so 2 circles diameter will give you the side of the square. Okay, so let us take D as diagonal. So 2D will be equal to 14, or D will be equal to 14 divided by 2, that is 7. That is diameter of one circle will be 7. Okay, from that you will get radius, that is 7 by 2. Okay, now how to find out? You are asked to find out the shaded region only, that is blue colored portion only. So area of square minus area for circle will give you the area of this shaded portion. Okay, now first find out D. So 2D is equal to 14. Why? Because circles are arranged like this. So 2D is equal to 14, or D is equal to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7. So R will be equal to D by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2. Point. No need to convert into point. Okay, keep it like that. Now area of square. Area of square is equal to 14 into 14. 14 into 14, that is 196 centimeter square. Okay, 14 square. Now area of this circle, area of 4 circle will be equal to 4 circle, 4 into pi r square, where r is equal to 7 by 2, or 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 1 7 you can cancel, 2 you can cancel. So 22 into 7 Okay, 22 into 7, that is equal to 154 you will get centimeter square. Okay, now area of shaded portion will be equal to area of square minus area of 4 circles. So that is equal to 196 minus 154. 196 minus 154, 42 centimeter square. Okay, so how we are find out that one? So one square is there. First find out the area of square minus area of the circle. So diameter we got from this one. Okay, now look at that example 6. Find the area of shaded design in figure 12.17, where ABCD is a square of side 10 cm and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as the diameter. Now look at here, this is the given figure. Okay, so one square is there, two semicircles like here and here, again two like this. A figure is formed. Shaded portion, what you are asked to find out? Area of shaded design. Okay, now how to solve that one? It is already marked there, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now when you are finding out area of square minus area of these two semicircles will give you the area of second and fourth portion. Understood? Area of the square minus area of the two semicircles will give you area of second and fourth one. Now area of the same square minus area of this and this will give you area of 1 and 3. Okay, so area of semicircle, so radius is not given, but from the figure itself you will understand that a semicircle given means this AB is the diameter. Okay, AB is the diameter and AB is the side of the square. Okay, so side of the square is 10, so diameter of the semicircle also 10, radius will be 5. Okay, now let us find out that one. So area of, if you are finding out area of second and fourth portion, it will be same as 1 and third. So no need to find out 2 times, only 1 time you have to find out. Then you can add that one and subtract from the area of square. So first one, area of square, let us find out. Area of square, that is equal to L square or A square, where L is equal to 10. So 10 into 10, that is equal to 100. Now area of second and two semicircles, no? Area of two semicircles, so 2 into semicircle's area will be pi r square by 2. Now pi r square is the area of whole circle, that is circle. Semicircle means half of that one, so it will be pi r square by 2. So that 2 you can cancel, pi r square, where r I told you d is equal to 10, so r will be equal to 5, so it will be 22 by 7 into 5 into 5, okay, or 3.14 you can find out, put that value 25 into, that will be better, 3.14 into 25, okay, this is the answer you are getting. Now subtract area of second and fourth will be equal to 100 minus, this value is 78.5, that is already given there, so I didn't calculate that one, so 21.5, okay. Now it is 2 times it will come, why? It is same as first and second also, so area of first and second, first and third also will be 21.5, okay. Now what will be the area of shaded portion? Area of shaded portion will be area of the triangle, area of the square minus area of this and this one, okay. So I am not writing this, so it is 100 minus 21.5 plus 21.5, that is equal to 43. 100 minus 43 will be 57 centimeter square, okay. So it is already given in your textbook, just go through that one. So let us discuss now exercise 12.3.